Hi, my name is Rahul Guan. I'm a managing director and partner at BCG. At BCG, I lead both the healthcare practice and recruiting for BCG. And I'm based out of Mumbai and really look forward to interacting with all of you at the Lyceumm Repair or Prepare conference.
My name is Vikrant Sawant. I'm a yoga teacher with Sawant Yoga. What I do is help people, professionals and individuals live life filled with abundant health of mind, body and emotions, and of course minding and controlling energies. I'm looking forward to interacting with you at Lyceumm virtual event Repair or Prepare, conversation with the industry experts.
Hi, my name is Hari. I currently work with a company called Cytel as its director of shared services. I'm based out of Hyderabad. Been in various industries. I've worked for over 24 years. I basically run the finance shared services teams, which include FP&A, accounting and other services in the finance. I look forward to interacting with all of you at the Lyceumm virtual event Repair or Prepare, conversation with industry experts.
Good evening. Ravi from the Red Earth group of resorts. Red Earth is a family-run group of resorts in 4 destinations of the country, namely Kabini, Gokarna, Tadoba and Wayanad in Kerala. We're completely into sustainable tourism where we give skill sets and then employment to the indigenous tribal community. We also sensitize them into the different aspects of responsible living. We run our own schools where we have 300 tribal children living and learning, a small hospital for the tribes, and an ambulance that goes into the forest to help tribes who have no access to medical help. Join me, Rachel, at the Lyceumm virtual event, a discussion on Repair and Prepare, a conversation with industry experts. Looking forward to seeing you there.
If you are watching this video, congratulations! You have successfully aced lockdown 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm sure you have built a lot of memories, got closer to your family members and spent a lot of not just quantity time but quality time together. Now, are you ready for the post-lockdown situation? Are you ready to get back to work? Are your children equipped to go back to school? I am Renuka Masi, the Dean for the St. Anthony's Group of Institutions based at Hyderabad. I am glad to be associated with Lyceumm as we put together a virtual event just for you. Repair or Prepare, a conversation with industry experts very soon. Watch the space for more details. See you at the event.
Hi, I'm Sahana. I'm a therapist and a coach from Switch Now based in Hyderabad. I do psychotherapy, transformational coaching and corporate training. Looking forward to interacting with you at the Lyceumm virtual event, Repair or Prepare, conversation with industry experts.
Thank you.